pre-K? Okay, today we are talking about the letter E and the sound that letter E makes. Excuse me. Okay. And again, parents, friends, I would like you to make 6 uppercase E's, the big E, and lowercase e in your writing journals. So parents, you may need to help, do the dots, and then they can trace, but they also need to try on their own to make their own. Remember, we top, down, there, and then lowercase. Okay. Or maybe it's easier for them to go from top to bottom and then do the 3 arms sticking out, just like that. That may be better. 1, 2, 3. And then E, just kind of go a straight line across and bring it around the top and give it like a hat, and then underneath like a hook. So it's a little tricky, but you'll get it with practice. I know you can. Letter E makes 2 sounds. It makes the sound and it makes the sound E. Like egg, and E like eel. So we have an uppercase E and a lowercase e. Say these words with me. Egg. Egg. And this is pointing to her elbow. Elbow. This is an elephant. Elephant. Good. And this is an elevator. Elevator. Oh, there's an envelope. Envelope. There, you learned some words that begin with the letter E, that start with letter E. Okay, we're going to talk about the color brown. Brown is a color that we see a lot in the fall because the leaves are dying on the trees and turning brown. We get browns and oranges and yellows and reds, beautiful colors. Look, we have that brown little pom-pom puffball that's in all of these, a little one and a big one. And we have a football, a brown football. And we have, do y'all know what this is called? A pine cone. It's a brown pine cone. Where I grew up, we had a lot of pine cones out in the yard. This one is a brown mushroom. Mushroom. Good. Okay. Now, boys and girls, I want to talk to you about the order of things, the sequence of how things happen. Like on our cards, we have a first, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means first, second, third, fourth. First, then, next, last. Okay? If I have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I'm going to bring these closer so you can see. What would I start with? Which one of these would be the first thing I would need for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Can y'all see those? Which ones would I need for number 1 to start my sandwich? I bet some of you are saying it. I would need to start with bread and my peanut butter and jelly. That's on number 1. And then would I cut the sandwich next? Would I spread the peanut butter first or the peanut butter and the jelly? Which one would be second? The peanut butter, because you don't have the jelly yet, so the peanut butter is next. Then what would I do? Am I ready to cut my sandwich yet, or am I still making it? You're still making it. You have to add the jelly. So this would be number what? Number 3, third. That would be next. And last, look, it's all ready to eat. So what would you do with it? Mommy or daddy or grandma, somebody would cut it in half. If you like yours cut in half. Mine used to like them cut like a triangle. So, and there you have it. First, you need your bread and your peanut butter and jelly. You spread your peanut butter, then you add your jelly to the other half. Then your sandwich is ready to eat. Kind of making me hungry. Okay, first, second, third, fourth. All right. Oh, look, boys and girls, some of you are learning how to do this now, tying a shoe. Again, we're going to start with first, second, third, and fourth. Well, look, first we just have to start with the laces being not tied yet. They're ready to be tied. That would go on number 1. Then what are we going to do? Then you have to tie a loop in it. Or I'm sorry, to tie it there where you can tie it tight and then get ready for your loops. So this would be second. And if you were making one loop, which one of these would it be? This one, thumbs up, or this one? You're right, you have to do this one first. One loop is number 3. And then the last picture would be 2 loops. You finished learning to tie your shoe. You have it. It's all ready to be tied. Okay, that's the fourth thing. So remember, first we just start with the laces. It's untied. It needs to be tied so it'll stay on. We loop it around and pull it tight. And then we make a big loop to get ready to, sometimes we say, what is that, go around the tree? And then make another loop, and it's all done. So first, second, third, fourth. That's the sequence or the order of tying your shoes. Good job, guys. All right, let's do some singing.